Hey guys, Izzy from Endless RVing, and right behind me is Newmar Supreme Aire, the latest Super C from Newmar. You're not going to want to miss it.
This villa furniture is beyond comfortable.
So we're in front of the 4573, I believe, the new Supreme Aire by Newmar. This is going to be on a Freightliner M2 112 chassis, DD13 engine. You can see it's Super C, so it's on the truck chassis with the box built in the background. 315/80, 22.5-inch tires up front. The nice thing about the Super Cs is that everything, the engine's right up front, right? So it's going to be easier to service, and you're also going to have that protection during a collision, because this is a truck with a house built on it. 2 steps to get in, right to your normal truck cab. That's going to be all air seating inside. And guys, we're at a show, so there's going to be people coming in and out. Don't worry about it. Slide number 1 here. Get your Samsung TV outside with the Bose soundbar. This is very similar to the setup we have on our Newmar. Awnings over the windows. Over the front window you have an awning, and then you're going to have the built-in body awning coming right over the whole rig. You got bay number 1, you have some nice storage with lighting. 3 steps coming down, and that's going to fold up nicely once the door is closed. Bay number 2, you're going to have your battery bay, okay? You're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8 batteries in there. I believe those are AGM batteries. Bay number 3, you have your Oasis Chinook hydronic heating system. That's going to give your hot water and your diesel-fired furnace. Also electric if you're hooked up to the 50 amp. Bay number 4, some shelving here. You gotta slam these doors down. You have nice lights here, the parking lights. These will light up if you want to light up your way when you're out there at a dark campground. Rear tires, tag axle, 235/80, 22.5 on the front axle. And then you're going to have 295/80, 22.5 on the rear. Excuse me, 295/80, 22.5 on both tires. So we're on the rear passenger side of the Supreme Aire. You're going to have your escape hatch here, right? This is going to be emergency escape. You open this door up. This is not accessible from the outside. This will be accessible from the inside. This is very common on the Newmar diesels. Open this up, a ladder will roll out, and you're going to have an escape route if you have some kind of emergency. You have another bay here. I can't open it too much because we have another Supreme Aire here, but if you want to get in, you got some nice storage here if you want to check that out. And then your final bay door, some more storage, nice pass-through storage here, all lit up. Quite nice. So at the rear of the Supreme Aire, you're going to have a 20,000-pound towing hitch. You also have the rear view camera in here. It's going to be capped off nicely on top with a fiberglass roof. Nice fiberglass back cap, LED tail lights, and LED marker lights. So we're down now the passenger side of the Supreme Aire. You're going to look. You have some cargo bays here. The bay number, first one from the back. The first 2 are going to be storage. Overhead, you're going to have the built-in awnings built into the body here. They're going to spread over. Okay, you can see they're nice and clean. Also, you're going to notice you have the full body paint on this. It's also going to be painted on the slides to match the pattern. You have covers over the windows. You're also going to have slide toppers over the slides. You have the bay over here. You're going to have your generator where it's going to be held. You're going to have your wet bay, also your electric, and there'll be the Sanacon turbo macerator system. And then as you move over to your front bay. You get a front bay, you're going to have your fuel fill up. Move over to the driver's side. Again, easy 2 steps in and out of here. This is just a Freightliner truck with a house built on it. So we'll move it to the inside, bring you inside, let you know what it's looking like inside. So over in the passenger and the driver's compartment, you're going to have your Freightliner cab.
It's good.
Now if you go into the left side, on your lower left side, you can let the air out on the lower left side of your seat. There's a button. Yes, you have air ride on the seats to bring you up and down. I believe they're also heated seats because I see the button there.
Yep.
Electronic adjustable. And this is what makes the Supreme Aire and the other Newmar Super C pretty cool.
Supreme.
The Supreme Aire, sorry.
No, you said Supreme. I said that's what makes it Supreme. You get that?
There is your tank levels, AC, DC power. Your controls are right there. All cabinets.
Storage on the sides too.
That's going to be the norm anymore.
Awesome. All hardwood cabinetry. Now we saw these things being built at the Newmar Center, Service Center, but they wouldn't let us on this one. And now this is very cool.
Oops, I'm gonna do that.
Because you break it. There's probably a powered version of that.
Yeah. Look at the detail on this.
Don't
The
whisper,
light.
we can't hear you.
Oh, I'll get on this side. So look at the detail, the lighting inside each of the crosses, the X's.
All hardwood, yeah, you see the LED lights here?
On every X,
Very
they
cool.
have it lit.
Let's get a full shot of this.
Oh, yeah. This is beautiful.
Now look at the ceiling trays here. All the vents are hidden nicely, LED lights. Look at the mother control panel here.
That's the awnings outside. The slides.
Wow.
You have your wine guard controller. You have your auto leveling. Watch your back, babe.
Sorry.
So your villa furniture, you're going to have a couch
Very
here.
soft.
I'm going to assume this is probably a fold-out bed the way it looks, but we're not going to fold.
Long.
Yeah, this is a big one.
Very nice size.
A lot of cabinet space overhead.
Let me get the
Check out the cabinet space. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, look
Ooh, we
what we
caught you,
found.
Newmar. That's a little off.
there we go.
Oh, no, okay, maybe it was just you.
It was the way it was opened.
Huh.
That's interesting now, right? Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's a little no-no.
You have to cross it.
Okay.
Good to know.
I guess you can't open them all up at
Now
the same
this one,
time.
it doesn't happen. Maybe because it's on
It
a
has to be
slant.
realigned.
Yeah.
But you have the cabinetry running down the whole driver's side. A lot of storage. This is a full wall slide on the driver's side.
All these cabinets all the way down. Ton of storage. This villa furniture is beyond comfortable.
Yeah, so on ours we have, not Villa, we have Flex Steel.
Right.
So Villa is the step up. Is there storage underneath that? This probably pulls out.
Yeah.
There we go. Some storage underneath. Taking advantage
Both
of everything
sides.
here. That's going to be on both sides. Just look at the valances here. How nice that is. And the wall lights. Get everything controlled. Can you hit that button there? I think that's a yeah, I see. So you can
Yep.
control all the lighting electronically here. Dim. It's really nice. Continuing down the driver's side, you have your residential fridge, Whirlpool. This is, you know, residential grade. Freezer on the bottom. Very nice.
Nice, spacious.
see the storage next to it.
Oh
Ooh,
man.
lights up. Now look at this.
Yep.
It's
Lighted and plentiful.
all lit up.
Those are deep drawers too. You can fit in a lot of stuff in there.
Let's continue down the driver's side.
So here we have another panel for your power and your everything.
Yeah, these are gonna be all tied in
everything.
together.
Yep. Here's your lighting again. Got one that's higher in the door. Closet.
Closet space. Plenty of drawers. I'm just gonna run them through. This looks very similar to ours. So onward to the rear bath. This is a 1.5 bath model. This is your back rear master bath. It's actually a little tight back here.
It is.
This is a little small.
You have a safe in here with drawers.
So immediately on your
Yeah, it's a little tight.
passenger side, got a closet when you walk into the bathroom. Plenty of
drawers.
Now guys, remember this is not a Class A, so you give up a little bit than what you would have in the Class A. But you gain that
You gain safety.
towing capacity and the safety. Now let's look into the shower. This is all tiled out.
For tall people.
We can't
If you're
figure
tall,
it.
you can fit.
But
This is a nice sink. Oh, this is nice.
nicely tiled out.
Look at they have the shampoo.
That's the same thing we have.
Yep, yep. It's a nice shower.
Then you have a single sink, medicine cabinet.
Big.
And then below the sink you have some drawers. I like that they have lights down there. Very nice.
Yeah, a lot of lighting. This is nice.
Nicely tiled out. It's going to be a washer dryer.
Washer
in there.
dryer, I'm assuming, yeah.
And there's a stackable washer dryer.
And we're gonna do for Matt's RV reviews. Matt, this is for you. You ready?
Oh, Matt, I like this.
It doesn't even move, so we can't check. It's not moving. But there's plenty of space here
Let's see.
to
And you have
do your duties.
the electric flush, and then your escape hatch is right behind you. Remember, we
Yep,
showed that
yep.
door from outside. You don't open it.
No,
You'd
no,
open that door, and a ladder will fall out, and there's your
Off you
escape
go.
hatch. All right, so coming out of the bathroom, we're now down on the driver's side, king size bed.
Very comfortable.
This is a big one.
It's a little soft. Izzy wouldn't like it.
Nah, we'd
Yeah,
put
I'm
a.
not big fans of soft beds.
But check out the woodwork on here, and I like how, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but the lighting here overhangs over the bed, which is kind of cool.
And again, all the X's with
All
the
lit up.
lighting. It's just so nice.
And then you have all the cabinets. You want to get a couple, or one at least. You can jump one of those. The cabinets overhead, all hardwood. Is that carpeted in there? Yeah, deep cabinet.
Izzy
It's
loves
kind of
carpet.
hard to get this, but this is really nice. You can get it there.
Yeah, it's very deep in there.
Storage underneath the bed. I just noticed there's an LED running underneath the bed
Yep.
too, which is pretty awesome. Can you close that
There's a
up so we
couple
can see this?
chairs.
Yeah, you got your chairs for your table. And check this out with the LED running around the bed. That's pretty cool. Yep.
You have cabinets too when you come around on both sides
Yep.
with chargers, USB.
Yeah, you can go.
I'm gonna come behind you.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
I don't suppose you're recording audio, just video.
Can you close that? I was wondering. So you got the sliding door here to separate the cab. That's going to close off the cab to everyone. All right, you could open that now. Everybody in.
You can't come in. We're filming.
We're going to continue down the passenger side to the half bath. Hey, you coming in?
30% off.
Cabinets overhead. Yeah, this is tight in here.
This is tight. Let me sit. See how.
If you're a big one, I don't know if you're going to fit in there.
Matt,
If
there's
you're a
room.
size 18, I don't know if you're fitting in there.
Yeah, it's small.
You might have to go.
Small.
It might be a rescue call.
Have to go
All right.
sideways.
But I like this because this will allow you, the way that door opens, will allow you to open that door and the slides are closed. Continuing down the passenger side, it's all electric coach.
Double sink.
Double sink. I was at like a 70-30. Got the steel.
Here's your lighting again.
Yeah. Steel faucet, and you got some more storage up top.
Some pasta.
Yeah.
Some fake pasta.
More cabinets underneath with a place for a garbage can.
I like this. That's cool.
Lit up underneath. Making do space of anywhere you can get. What's this side one here?
Another pull out.
Awesome. And you got a dishwasher. So the Fisher Paykel. Don't break it, hon.
Okay, hang on.
That is a dishwasher.
I started it. Okay. There's about 50 remotes.
This
here.
I don't get with like these companies. They can't just get onto one remote. This is crazy
Yeah,
to
a
me.
multi-purpose.
And then
And then we got some drawers here. Oh, we did that already. There's a lot of drawers, your microwave.
Whirlpool micro. It's the same one we have in ours.
Not quite sure what you're fitting in there, but
And finishing down the passenger side, another couch. That might be a jackknife. I don't know. We'll mess around. Then you have the TV and the televator, and a bunch of other cabinets.
all your video.
Yep, the
audio
DVD
stuff.
player.
Put your Roku, whatever.
Excellent.
Oh, this was nice where there's not a bed in there.
This is a nice touch. This light.
Yeah.
These are nice. They're all around. Different shapes too, wider. And then your storage on the side of the couch.
And I do like what you're holding right now. The guardrails and
Yep.
glass. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, that's your complete tour of the Newmar Supreme Aire,
It is a beauty.
the 4573.
And it's a measly $596.
Yeah, but this is
100,000.
Newmar's top of the line 45-foot Super C. So check it out, Tampa RV Show.
Beautiful.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe below, and we will see you on the road.